Hey everybody, decided to change the exhaust on the Vfr1200 2010 standard at the moment. Decided to go with a Damexhausts, and I'm an amateur. I don't have any professional qualifications in being a mechanic, so this is going to be just a wee video showing you the before sound and after sound of what it's like, and I'll give you my feedback as to what I think it was like to put on and whether it was easy or tricky enough. Of course, these videos always have to have a start sound, so here we go. Come back and let you know how it goes. So this is it fitted. Look at that beauty. Went for the chrome one because I thought it was quite close to the original. Looks like the baffles in it will keep it there for the time being. So what does it sound like? So in summary, delighted, sounds great, really happy with the outcome. Fitting time took me less than 20 minutes, easy.